In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Android keyboard not showing. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, a missing keyboard or a not working keyboard is usually caused by a zombie process in the background or corrupted cache. So if the keyboard is technically running, but like invisible, it's just not processing anything, you need to kill the full process entirely to force a reload. So swipe down on the top right of your screen, which is going to bring up your control panel, then click the settings wheel icon on the top right. Now, once you're here, go ahead and find apps, which is going to be towards the bottom. Go ahead and click on it and make sure you're on see all apps. Now, over here, you just want to find your keyboard. So, whether it's a Google keyboard, Samsung keyboard, or anything like that, go ahead and find it. Go ahead and click on it. Now, once you go ahead and find it on the bottom, you're going to see force stop. Go ahead and click on that. And it says if you force stop an app, it may cause errors. Then just force stop it. Then what we want to do is scroll down and go to storage. Go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to see clear cache on the bottom right. Go to that as well. And then just go to any application and then go to a text field. And then it should work fine. And then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.